Introducing HUB by Alpaca. For the last 4 years, we've been making high-quality bags and functional accessories. This is our 9th crowdfunding campaign, and this time, we're bringing you something a little different. HUB, a minimal modular organizer for your life. HUB is a low-profile magnetic modular ecosystem that conveniently connects your keys and other accessories to your life. No more unsightly keychain hooks, messy tabletops, or missing keys. Its slim and light design make it perfect to use at home, in the office, or both. Made from high-grade CNC'd aluminum, the HUB rail comes in 2 different sizes: the Max, which can hold up to 6 modular items, and the Mini, which holds up to 3 modular items. It can be easily attached to a desk or a wall using 3M adhesive. The HUB was engineered with some of the world's best materials: Hypalon fabric, Fidlock magnets, heat-treated and electroplated steel keyring, nylon 66 DuPont. Say goodbye to fumbling through your bags or pockets for your keys, and say hello to empty pockets with the magnetic keychain. The magnetic keychain's easy-to-pull handle means you can seamlessly transfer your keys from your pants or bag to the magnetic rail faster than you can say modular ecosystem. Say that 10 times fast. Functionality is maximized with the use of a magnetic clip you can attach to any loop or piece of fabric. Keep your keys and accessories secure at all times. The keychain's removable keyring makes attaching your keys a breeze. Forget about cumbersome keyring loops. The keyring is electroplated, comes with a sandblasted matte finish, and has a breaking force of 25 kilograms. The HUB is also compatible with our new card holder. It's versatile and can be used as an ID tag, a Metro card holder, or a standalone card holder. It's sonic welded with pre-cut Hypalon layers for maximum durability. The last piece of the system is the modular hand sanitizer bottle with a built-in card holder. Carry your sanitizer everywhere you go. The HUB rail is also compatible with our existing modular accessories. The HUB was designed to be an ever-expanding ecosystem of modular accessories. This is only the beginning. Alpaca was born here on Kickstarter, and we are so grateful for the crowdfunding community to continue giving us the opportunity to keep bringing you durable and functional gear. Whether at home or on the go, we're here to provide you with the best tools to fit your life. Modular, adaptable, and functional design. Keep moving forward.